Hi friends, and you are viewing a beautiful garden in the back, and I want to have a tour of my garden. So let's go. This is my relaxing zone, and you can see beautiful fountain, soothing music. This is coxcomb. ये मैंने लास्ट ईयर के बीजों से उगाया है. This small beautiful wrap with snake plants and jade plants. These are the siblings of the coxcomb. See some beautiful red bright colors. Another one. This is my small miniature garden. I really like coming here and enjoying. This is, you can guess, this is lettuce. Yes, we can have these salad leaves. Another beautiful palm, adding wonders to my garden. Flamingos. Here it goes, a beautiful bright gardenia. Some paper flowers, small pansies, looking just like a beautiful butterfly. Colors. I feel like every nature lover will really love it. Again, some pansies, bright, beautiful petunias. Just see the shade of this purple flower, having some dark purple lines. These are dahlias. I'm waiting them to bloom. You can see the bird here. Takoris. And now you'll see these bright colors. Bougainvillea. Pink, yellow, light pink. Just give me the large view. Once you come up here, you can relax and you won't feel like going any other place after this. These are the tomatoes. They are about to give fruit. See, the flowers are blooming, and soon they'll give me some nice cherry tomatoes. Ixora. Dianthus. These lovely light green spider plants. Dog flowers. Then a chain of adeniums. Spine. Let's come. I'll show you some. This pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. This is lemon. This year it doesn't has given me any fruit, but last year a lot of lemons came out of it. This is like small Chinese orange. A lot of oranges blooming on it. That's the chiku plant. Again, some tomatoes. This is my pergola to give some shades to my plants. Now you will find a variety of like shade plants here. It's a small bird nest. This is aero this is aerocacia, and I'll decorate this new year. See, now aloe vera has bloomed. A beautiful this like Rajnikandha stick here. A hummingbird keeps on coming on this branch to suck nectar. Some of the siblings of my older plants. They're nurturing.